Alright. Now move the towel. You gotta open it because Daddy don't want to break the glass to get in. Alright, come on. Boy. Push it all the way against the door. Come on. Good job. Keep it up. Alright, now be careful. Alright. Alright. Now unlock the top one. Turn it. No, the top one. Turn it. Turn it real hard. Yeah, that way. Turn it. Turn it. Turn it. You can do it. Turn it. Turn it again. Daddy's going to help you. Come on. Turn it. You ready? Grab it and turn it. Turn the knob. The top one, baby. Gregory, the top one. No, don't get down. There you go. Turn it. Turn it real hard. Turn it. Turn it. I didn't know you could reach it now. What'd you do? You locked Daddy out? Yeah. Turn the knob and let me in. Come on. Turn it, baby. Huh? Yeah, you can. Look, turn the knob. Gregory. Where you going? You don't want my Daddy in? My Daddy don't want to have to break the door, please. Be careful. Where you going? You're silly. Come on, get up here. Where you going? No, not that way. Go the other way. I don't want you to fall. You're going to fall that way. Wait. There, Gregory. Listen to Daddy. Now where you going? You give up? Wait for what? You want to see outside? Daddy wants to get in. You gonna let Daddy in? Gregory. Huh? Okay, well, you want to come outside and play? Okay, well, you gonna unlock the door and let Daddy in? Daddy's gonna have to fix that lock to where you can't lock it no more. Unlock the door. Get your face off the door. Unlock the door. Come on, Gregory. Unlock the door, baby.
No, I said it.
Why? Stop that. Unlock the door. I can't. Why not? Huh? I can't come in. Well, Daddy's gonna come in. You gotta unlock the door so Daddy can come in. Well, Daddy's about to go get a crowbar and open the door. So, you need to unlock it so I don't break it. Come on, Gregory. Unlock the door. Daddy don't want to break the door. Please unlock it. You can do it. Hey, listen to Daddy. You know better than not listen. I'm going to get off the chair. Why not? Hey. You want to go in timeout? Huh? What was it? Boy. Hey, come on. I tell you. Alright. I'm going to get something to unlock the door. Come on, you going to get down and unlock the door? Come on. You gonna unlock the door or you want Daddy to do it? Let me do it. But I'm gonna break it. No, baby, come on. Come on, unlock the door. I know. Come on, you help me, okay? I'm gonna do that, and you help me, and you turn it for Daddy. Okay? Well, you locked it. That was the first time you locked it. Come on, Gregory. All right, unlock the door. Push the chair back over here and unlock the door. Gregory. Well, I'll use the crowbar to open it because you locked Daddy out. No. Why'd you lock Daddy out?
You broke it.
Yeah, I broke it. Because I had to lock. I had to get in. Can't leave you in here by yourself. What? No, why didn't you do that?
Because you broke it.
I know I broke it. Well. That's just one more thing Daddy got fixed. Hey, are you sorry for locking Daddy out? No? Now Daddy gotta go buy new locks. You sorry for locking Daddy out?
No.
You gonna lock Daddy out again?
Yes.
Yes? Why? Alright, well you're in timeout now. Okay? No, come from back there. You sit right here on the sofa, in timeout. We're not gonna do that again. Next time you listen to Daddy. You hear me? Okay?
No.
And you're not gonna get up until you say you're sorry.
No. I don't want to say sorry.
Why?
I don't want to say sorry.
But you made Daddy scared. Daddy worried about you when you locked the door on me.
I don't want to say sorry.
Why?